Just look at the mangoes, they're so juicy and so shiny, isn't it?
On certain days, we want to have an amazing breakfast but do not want to do too much hard work to prepare that breakfast. So, on such days, I make this ready to mix pancakes and take a look how I prepare it so that even you can make it. Even if you are not a cook, you can prepare this really easy, ready to mix pancakes, and it's really exotic to eat. It's very tasty. So let's go to our kitchen and start making these pancakes. And remember, even if you're not a cook, you can make these pancakes and flaunt it. Come.
Morning guys. So it's one of those mornings when you feel like having amazing breakfast. So today I decided to make this amazing pancakes with all these exotic fruits. But these are the seasonal fruits. They are exotic, but during the season they cost less. So you should buy them during that time. And these are amazing plums which I have, and some mangoes which are in season right now, and these are Alfonso mangoes over here, and these are peaches. So even peaches are in season right now, so I bought some peaches and they are so good to eat. So all these fruits taste amazing along with pancakes, and that is why I decided to make pancakes today along with all the fruits. So let me cut my Alfonso mangoes. Alfonso mangoes taste really milky and sweet. It's the king of mangoes, you must be knowing that. And it is available in Maharashtra in Ratnagiri district. So it is very tasty. If you have not eaten Alfonso mangoes ever, so you should try one at least, because it's so good, so sweet. It beats all the sweetness of any other fruits you would have ever eaten. So you should definitely try this. So I'm cutting my mangoes over here for the pancakes. So this is how you should cut your mangoes. It becomes really simple. Just look at the mangoes, they're so juicy and so shiny, isn't it? So we even have some bananas too. In the end we can cut them. So let's mix the pancake batter now. So here we have our pancake mix. So this is a ready to make pancake mix, and we will open this packet now. So we can mix this flour along with milk or with normal water too. So I mix normally with milk because it's more nutritious if milk too is added into it. So that's why I prefer milk. I add little water into this. So I normally take 2 cups for 2 people. After this I add some milk into this. And you have to make a thick paste out of this. The paste shouldn't be thin, it should be really thick. So let's mix it into a very thick paste, and we'll add a little water while doing so. So we'll start blending this. So add a little water, little by little, because we need a very thick paste, that's why. So when we use this hand mixer, what happens is it mixes really well without any lumps. So that's the reason why we use this. It is completely blended, and this is the kind of texture we need. So bring it to this texture. It should be pouring consistency as well as it should be thick too. So we don't have to add sugar in this or anything else. Everything is already added inside this, so we don't have to add anything extra. So initially the pan should be really hot, but after pouring the batter you should lower the flame. So always remember that, and pour enough of it like this. Now lower the flame and cover it and cook. Just open the lid after 1 minute and just see if your pancake is looking a little golden on the other side. If it is and there are a lot of bubbles on the top, you can just flip it on the other side and again cover it and cook. The entire kitchen is aromatic right now and it feels so much like a cake is baking in this room. That much it is fragrant and it's amazing to eat this. And that's why I love it. So let's cook this for around another half a minute because on one side it's already cooked. So in half a minute it will be done. So it's already half a minute and we can just remove our pancake. It must be cooked completely and see how fluffy it has become. So we can just remove this off on a plate and we'll make some more pancakes now. You don't have to actually rotate it, just put it and leave it just like that. So we'll flip it on the other side. Look at the density, it's really thick. So this is how it should look, it should be really thick like this. So both our pancakes are ready. Now we'll dust it with sugar like this. So we can grind some sugar in the mixie and we can do this thing. This gives an amazing look to your pancake. Now you can add all the fruits on your pancake. Add the peaches. Add the bananas. Add your plum. Normally pancakes are eaten with maple syrup, but I like to use honey because it's more healthier and it tastes exactly like maple syrup. So just drizzle some honey over it. Add a blob of butter over it like this. And guys, you can start eating now. Take a bite. So guys, if you want to order this pancake mix from Amazon, I'll put the link in the description box below and you can click that link and buy this from Amazon and make your life easy and create exotic breakfasts like pancakes at home itself and without any pain. So do that and enjoy your life, guys. Bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simplicity.